This is Len from LPR Toolmakers. Floating die kit. I have a YouTube already on there how to use it on the lathe, but I'm just going to put this quickly together to show people. They tend to get this confused because they've never used one before. Floating die kit. Make sure you pick out the arbor that fits in your tailstock of your lathe. In this case, this one is a number 3. So if you want to use this one, number 3 in your tailstock, we've got them in 2s, 3s and 4s. If you've got a bigger machine, you can put a drill sleeve on them. So this arbor is your first thing you've got to use, all right? That goes in your tailstock, and then you pick out the head, depending on what size die you're going to use. In this case, I'm going to use a 1-inch button die, 1-inch button head, right? So we put that in here. You've got 3 holes, right? The middle hole is the one that splits. You put that in and drop that in the middle there. You tighten it up. These come with an Allen key. You tighten that up there, and you tighten up the 2 on the left and right hand side of that, and that holds the die in place, right? Then you place that in or on the arbor. The arbor floats, all right? Now, to stop that coming out and twisting around, it has a little dowel. It's got a serrated top on it so it won't fall all the way through. So you put that little dowel in the top there. See how it fits on there like that? So it stops it going around, but also stops it from going out. Okay? It also has, on this, a center punch. Or it's actually a pin punch, sorry. Now, with the pin punch, the reason why we add this on too is that when you've finished your job and you've got to change your die over, you take the head off, you undo your dowel, your grub screws, which holding the die in place, and you go up to the back of it and you give it a little bit of a tap. Doesn't matter which way it is, just a little bit of a tap, and it knocks the die out. So that's why that punch is for. All right, so if you want to see this in full operation on lathe, go to lprtoolmakers.com.au or to YouTube and you will see this in action. Thanks very much.